Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to see the chapter number 2, relation function, exercise 2.3. So before that we have to know about the function and functions. So there are so many functions are there, so many types. Before that I will tell you only one very important one. Definition: a relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has only one image in set B. That is called function. Next one, a function which has either R or one of its subset as its range is called a real valued function. Further, if its domain is also either R or a subset of R, it is called a real function. And next one, identity function. Another one, constant function. Identity function, let R be the set of real numbers. Define the real valued function f r tends to R by f of y x equal to x for x belongs x star. Such a function is called the identity function. Hence, the domain and range of f are R. Constant function, define the function f of r to R by y equal to f of x equal to c. X belongs to R, where c is a constant and each x belongs to R. Here domain of f is R and its range is c. Okay. Next we are doing modulus function. In the exercise problem they will give one modulus function. Modulus you know very well, so I will explain later. Now we are going to exercise problems. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. See, which of the following relations are functions? Give reason if it is a function. Determine its domain and range. Question number 1, 2, 3. 3 questions given. Now we will take the first question. See the relation. R equal to 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. Since 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 are the elements of domain of R, having their unique images. Therefore, the given relation is a function. According to our definition, it is a function. And domain, the first elements are domain 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and the range equal to 1. Second one, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are the elements of the domain having their unique images. Therefore, the given relation is a function. The first elements are domain, second one are range. Third one, the relation 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Since the distinct ordered pairs 1, 3 and 1, 5 have same first element, that is, one does not have a unique image under R. Therefore, it is not a function. Next, second question. Find the domain and range of the following real function. Given f of x equal to minus modulus of x. F of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. See, given f of x equal to minus modulus of x. Modulus of x means it is always positive. We know modulus of x is defined as non-negative real number for every x belongs to R. Therefore, domain of f equal to r means real number. So modulus of x is always greater than 0. Now only I said modulus of x means always positive, that is non-negative real number. Therefore always greater than 0. Modulus of minus x minus modulus of x is less than 0. So when you put minus here, automatically the symbol, inequality symbol is changed. Okay, for all x belongs to R. Therefore now range of f equal to, what is the range? Minus of modulus of x less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means it will start minus infinity comma 0. See, close the bracket. Close bracket means less than or equal to 0 means closed bracket. Next, given f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square. We know that square root of 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, that is squaring on both sides 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So find the value of x square. X square less than or equal to 9. Modulus of x less than or equal to 3, taking the square root. So the x value lies between minus 3 and plus 3. Therefore domain of f equal to, both are equal to symbol is there. So minus 3 comma 3, both are closed brackets. Therefore y equal to f of x equal to square root of 9 minus x square, that is y square equal to 9 minus x square. Y is always greater than 0, that is equation number 1. Therefore because square root of 9 minus x square is non-negative. Now by using this equation, y square equal to 9 minus x square, see 9 minus y square, that is equal to 9 minus y square is greater than or equal to 0, because x square is always positive. Y square less than or equal to 9, modulus of y less than or equal to 3, therefore minus 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. From 1, y is greater than 0, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. Therefore range of f equal to 0 comma 3. So this is the solution. Next, question number 3. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Given, write down the values of f of 0, f of 7 and f of minus 3. So it's very easy. Simply you substitute x equal to 0 value, will get the answer. See, f of 0, it means put x equal to 0 in the given relation, given function, 2 of 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. F of 7, substitute x equal to 7, will get value 9. F of minus 3, put x equal to minus 3, we will get minus 11. That's all. Question number 4. The function t, which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit, is defined by T of C equal to 9C divided by y plus 32. Find T of 0, T of 28, T of minus 10 and the value of C when T of C equal to 212. It is also very easy. The given function T of C equal to 9C divided by y plus 32. So T of 0 equal to, replace C equal to 0. 9 of multiply with 0 divided by 5 plus 32. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Plus 32 equal to 32. Second one, T of 28. Substitute C equal to 28. We will get the answer 82.4. Like that, T of minus 10. Replace C by minus 10. We will get the answer 14. T of C equal to 212. See, this is something difference. The final answer will be given. Now you have to find the value of C. So T of C also given 9C by 5 plus 32 equal to 212. From this, solving this equation and find the value of C like this, C equal to 100. That's all. Next, question number 5. Find the range of each of the following functions. F of x equal to 2 minus 3x. F of x equal to x square plus 2. F of x equal to x. X is a real number. It's very important. Answer is very easy. You have to see the condition first. By using this condition, we can give the answer in simple manner. Given f of x equal to 2 minus 3x. X belongs to R. That is, x is a real number and x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means positive. 1, 2, 3 up to infinity like that. Using this condition, we are finding the value minus 3x less than 0. So whatever it may be, if you substitute x equal to 1, we will get the negative answer. X equal to 2, again negative answer. So less than 0 condition satisfied. Now 2 minus 3x less than 2. How you will get answer 2? It means substitute x equal to any number, we will get the answer always less than 2 only. We will take 0, 1, 1.101, 0.1 like that. Whatever it may be, you substitute the value, we will get the answer less than 2 or exactly equal to 2. So 2 minus 3x means that is given already, 2 minus 3x, f of x. So f of x is less than 2. Therefore, the range of f of x is minus infinity, 2 according to this condition. Second question, f of x equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. We know that x square is greater than or equal to 0. We know x square greater than or equal to 0 means, we are taking some examples. X is a positive number or x is negative number, whatever it may be. If you multiply 2 times, you will get the positive answer only. Minus into minus plus, like that. So x square plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 plus 2. X square plus 2 greater than 2. Therefore f of x greater than or equal to 2. So the range of f of x is greater than or equal to 2 means starting from 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity. So infinity means always it's open. Starting from 2 means closed bracket we are using. So 2 comma infinity. That is the answer. This is the range of the second question. Last one. Given f of x equal to x. X is a real number. Y equal to f of x equal to x. That is y equal to x. X equal to y. Both are same. If you take x equal to 1, y equal to 1. If you take x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Like that. So therefore, the range of f of x equal to domain of f of x. The domain value and the range value both are same. That's why we are writing like this. Therefore, range of f of x equal to domain of f of x. Therefore, what is the range? The range of f of x is capital R. R means real number. I hope you enjoy the subject. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.